Okay, now let's talk about the modal verb could. First usage of could is to show ability or lack of ability in the past. People often get confused by thinking that could is the past form of can, which is technically wrong. These are two separate modal verbs. For example, he couldn't enter his dream college, meaning he wasn't able to enter his dream college. He could marry Anne when he was 19. Now she is married to his best friend, meaning he had a chance to marry Anne. He was able to marry Anne in the past when he was 19. She could ski like a pro when she was a little girl, meaning she was able to ski like a professional when she was a little girl. Another usage of could is to express permission when you are allowed to do something, or prohibition when you are not allowed to do something in the past. For example, Ricardo couldn't apply for American visa for 5 years, meaning he was not allowed to apply, probably because he violated some rules or committed a crime there. Couldn't means was prohibited, was not allowed in the past. She couldn't take photos in the gallery, meaning she was not allowed to take photos. Taking photos was prohibited. I could exit the agreement anytime I wanted, meaning I was allowed to exit the agreement when I wanted. I had a permission to exit the agreement whenever I wanted. Another use of the modal verb could is to make a polite request in the present. Could you fix me a coffee, please? We can also use can to make a request, but if you use could, you sound more polite. Could I ask you not to come to the party tomorrow night? That's a polite way of saying, don't come to the party tomorrow night, okay? Could makes it a polite request. Here's another usage of could, to make a suggestion for present or future. For example, we could go skiing next month. What do you say? Meaning, I suggest we go skiing next month. Honey, what's for dinner? I could cook lasagna. Meaning, I suggest we eat lasagna. We could hire a new sales director to increase the sales. Meaning, I suggest we hire a new sales director. We also use could to express possibility or a negative context. Impossibility. For example, who scratched my car? I don't know, it could be Tom. He's the one who likes to drive drunk. Meaning, it's possible that Tom scratched your car because he likes to drive when he is drunk. Hurry, it's 10 o'clock already. My parents could be here any minute. Meaning, it's possible my parents will be here any minute. Mommy, can I have something to eat? You just ate 3 slices of pizza an hour ago. You couldn't be hungry. Meaning, it's impossible that you are hungry because you ate 3 slices of pizza just an hour ago. They couldn't be her children. Look at her. She's barely at her 20s. Meaning, it's impossible that those are her children because she looks very young. You might have noticed that can is also used to express possibility or impossibility. And you are absolutely right because can and could can be used interchangeably in such context. For example, you couldn't be hungry, you just ate an hour ago, is equal to you can't be hungry, you just ate an hour ago. My parents could arrive any minute, is equal to my parents can arrive any minute. Okay, that's it for now. See you in the next episode.